assign behaviors and meanings such as sex roles attributed to distinction of all human societies make between male and female. For most scholars, it is accepted as axiomatic that gender behavior is shaped by historical forces and cultural meanings that has nothing to do with biology. The anthropological study of gender has a feminized face, although men have on occasion explored specific aspects of gender performance. Its principal researcher and audience are women. The consequence of having the predominance of female investigators has resulted, however, in the exclusive documentation and analysis of the problematic culture of one gender while ignoring the other gender and portraying it as a caricature by omission. Studies of gender range broadly and include work of origins and persistence of certain forms of sex-linked behavior. The origin and meanings of sexual stratification and the problematic nature of gender identity. The gender identity focuses on information of an institutionalized third gender identities. Among different ethnographic accounts, three theories have commonly been used to explain the origin of cross-cultural patterns found in culture's sexual division of labor. String theory holds that because males in any given society are larger on average than females, it is only natural that the males do tasks that involve greater strength. Compatibility with childcare argues the women do not perform activities that are most complementary with childcare roles, that is so easily interpreted or assumed, such as gathering food inside lands, in wide lands, carrying water, cooking and food preservation. Men, by contrast, are more likely to engage in activities that are sometimes dangerous and often demand bursts of energy, such as hunting on large lands and sea animals, clearing lands, long distance trade and war. Economy of effort theory argues that women and men's tasks are as divided in such a way that they maximize total production through gender specialization, and that specific activities will be dependent on the economic structure of these societies. All these three theories have flaws. The most controversial trend in recent study of gender is the application of sociobiology that seeks to unidentify innate behavioral difference that shape the style and form and sexual behavior. By psychologized evidence given from the source, studies of cross-cultural uniformities of infant behavior comprising with high primate description of psychology and cross-culture, it has been found that young boys are consistently more aggressive, competitive, whereas girls are more integrative and willing to share cooperation. As the scarcity of resources prevails, the development of patrilineality and locality, the localization of reality male is adaptive for military solidarity. Women remain the main source of subsistence worker. Men use their socially dominant role in extra-domestic distribution of symbolic reinforces their oppression of women. Patrilinealism is really agreed as a power adaptation as diverse gender role strategies of family is generally low. Cross-culture identifies production relies on groups that plow. Women suffer from inferiority feeling as men assume responsibility for subsistence. Outside that context, men and women are more willing to be engaged in other types of behavior that may or may not be deemed sexuality or even gender relevant. From this perspective, gender performance involves the way men and women modify or reject different aspects of their sexuality in order to convey gender and non-gender meanings. Thank you.